What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you my review of the Luminous Zelio Plus 1100 inverter. But before I start, let me ask you. Are you tired of power outages disrupting your daily life? I know I am. Power outages can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But what makes the Luminous Zelio Plus 1100 inverter so special? For starters, it has a pure Sinewave output, which means it can power even the most sensitive appliances. It also has a reliable performance, with a 36-month warranty to back it up. And the best part? The Luminous Zelio Plus 1100 inverter is available for just price 7,009. That's right, folks. You can get uninterrupted power supply without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description, subscribe to my channel to get your Luminous Zelio Plus 1100 inverter today. And as a special bonus, use the code TECH10 at checkout to get 10% off your purchase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. I'll see you in the next video.